know the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent for guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Reviews of rooms are available online. You can view them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description of the video. If you are using this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting the links and please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends,